Nice day to be out on the island of Sodor. Not so fast, Puffball. I've got something to show you. What is it? Watch this. Did you just swear? No, I'm kidding, Thomas. I'm calling you Puffball. Devious Diesel, why did you say a bad word? I don't know. I guess. Devious Diesel, you have caused confusion and delay by saying a bad word to the other tank engines. You should be ashamed of yourself, and you're grounded for another 13 weeks. Ah, come on. But what bad word did you say? I don't get it, nitwit. Go to your shed right now, Diesel. And don't ever think about calling other engines bad words. Puffball, I'll teach you a lesson of my own revenge. Only if I have to prank up Gordon, the big blue engine, with his own whistle. Not so fast, Diesel. You can't take up for this granted. You'll never have to forget this whistle. Oh yeah, we'll see. That didn't work. Out of my way! What was that? You will, Puffball. Hey, well, guess who else I have in the coach? What? He's a grouch. That he lives on New York City. What for, that little blue Puffball? Hey, get lost! Oscar? Is that you? Hey, I remember you. I saw you on Christmas last year ago. Oh, yeah. Hey, we can be friends forever. You know what I mean? Yes, I know what I mean. Hey, let's be some yucky and fun. You know what I mean? Yucky? Fun? I like that plan. Why don't we be best friends? Good thinking, you puffball wizard. I like when I beat the call on. I'm telling the fat controller on you. Devious Diesel, I told you to go to your shed right now. Why was that? Well, I just made a new friend. Oscar, could you please scram? I'm trying to ground Devious Diesel. Okay, I was a bad grouch after all. I'm calling Big Bird to pick you up. Big giant bird. What is it now, Sir Topham Hat? Could you please kick off Oscar the Grouch for me? Of course. Okay, Oscar the Grouch, you're getting out. You're coming home with me. Big yellow feathered birds, come out. Come on. I just want to have some fun with Devious Diesel. Not to worry. Come on, let's go home and let's just play some bird games. Okay, whatever you say, Chuck. Now, head back to Dieselville and go to your room. Or go to your shed, actually. Okay. This is it. 1-1 puffball this is. Well, this could be the end for me. This was a true story about me, because I was ended up in the shed. Goodbye, world. Goodbye, everything.